Hi, I'm Chris, and we're taking a look at PSAT Math, Section 4, question number 24. This is from this year's, the 2014 PSAT exam. And on this question, we're shown a rectangle with a square inside of it. The rectangle has dimensions 8 by 12, and the square is x by x. And the question tells us that the probability of randomly selecting a point inside the rectangle that falls inside the square is 1/6. So let's talk about what probability means. Probability is the number of desired results over the number of total possible outcomes. And what that means is that if you're trying to figure out how likely an event is, well, whatever the event is, that is the event that you're trying to figure out the probability of, that's your desired result. So for example, if you're flipping a coin and you say, what's the probability it lands on heads, then heads is the desired result, and the total number of possible outcomes in that example would be 2. It could land on heads or tails. So your probability would be 1/2. There's one desired result, the heads, and then there's 2 total possible results, the heads and tails side of the coin. So for this case, since the probability is 1/6 for our desired result, that desired result is described in the question as picking a point that falls inside the square. And the total possible outcomes would indicate the probability of falling anywhere inside the rectangle. So for these kinds of questions with probability, you're looking at area. And you want to look at the area of the square, which is your desired area, that's your target, over the entire area of the rectangle. So to solve this, for area of the square, we have x times x, which is x squared. And for area of the rectangle, we have length times width, which is 8 times 12. And from here, we're going to simplify and solve. So when you multiply 8 times 12, you get 96. When you cross multiply, you get 6x squared equals 96. Divide by 6, x squared equals 16. Take the square root, x equals 4. So this square has an area of 16 because it has both a width and a length of 4. And that would give us the probability of 1/6 for picking a random point somewhere inside this rectangle and having it fall inside of that square. For more, please feel free to take a look at our other videos, and thanks for watching.